let's give this thing a whirl. And what? Not now. Not now. Alright, so yeah, so overall this thing is looking like a regular web browser, but let's figure out how to make this thing work. Uh, let's see. I want to do something here. See what we got here. Close all my destination tabs. So this is just like standard old, you know, web browser stuff. Let's try book haircut on at cabin queen key Toronto. I just read it. Yeah, he's going through chain of thought here, and obviously the first one didn't seem to be about right, but now we're getting along here. Looks like we found the one that we're looking for, which is kind of interesting. Yeah, he's going through the booking part of the section here. Let's see what happens. And literally going and like clicking all these various things here. Pretty cool. Oh, pretty cool. I'm gonna come back and fill it with this one because I know who my barber is and who I want to go see. But they're really cool. I actually went on the website and found me some couple options here. You know what I would like to do is maybe follow up. Follow up with this fine and available slot with Peter. Let's just give this a little bit of an extra boost on that. All right, cool. Basically doing what I would do. Book this thing, go back, book this thing, go back. So you're seeing a lot of interesting, back and forth here to trying to figure out which dates are, available. It's kind of silly that I have to try to follow in Wednesdays. let's see what happens now. This is cool. It's neat that I can go book that. But to be honest, if I were booking this, I'd be like, okay, I'm done. I'd probably have this thing booked by now. And I'm waiting for this thing to basically do exactly what I would do, except I'm waiting and having to tell the instructions. And so, it's a little bit more complicated. It's a little bit more complicated, a little bit more time consuming. I have to kind of sit here and watch it and wait for it to respond back overall. So, super interesting. I still don't have a haircut booked yet. But it's definitely taking me a little bit longer than it probably would regularly because I never went a book with, right? But maybe a little bit more complicated thing if I wanted to say book a trip to Alaska using a specific airline. Okay, let's do 115. Coming along. Brilliant. There we go. Okay, so that wasn't terrible. I now have my, haircut booked for a couple of Wednesdays from now, but probably could have done this in a little bit shorter time. So anyway, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed my first review of this agenic browser, and we'll keep trying that. We'll get some more videos out soon. Cheers, guys. Bye.